Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're gonna do a quick video. I picked up a from Walmart. I picked up a Schumacher jumper, 100 amp jumper, 30 amp boost, 6 amp and 2 amp charger. So please stick around, check out the video. I'll also show the same version, just a really old model that I've been using for years. Thank you for watching. Please stick around and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at this. We're going to be taking it out the box, everything else. So this is the newest version of this guy sitting here. This one is model number Sam Charlie 1281. This is a 100 amp engine start, 30 amp boost, 6 amp and 2 amp battery charger. This one does standard lead acid AGM gel, and it has bad battery. This one is a lot different. This one is actually the newest model, standard, which is lead acid, AGM, deep, and lithium. So this one does lithium. I would assume this one will also charge, from what I know, will also charge gel batteries as well. This guy is the same as this model over here. This one is a 100 amp jump, 30 amp boost, 6 amp and 2 amp charger. This does 6 volt and 12 volt. This guy over here also does 6 volt and 12 volt. There's a couple new features though, and this one also shows that and I like their new box design. This one also shows some vehicles on it: lawn tractors, motorcycles, or crotch rockets to be specific. You know, you should be able to do it on any motorcycle, including Harleys, sports cars, sedans, boats, SUVs and trucks. Recovers dead batteries, safety protection, charge both lead acid and lithium, outlet required. This one, I've never seen this feature before, but it says down here in the bottom, it says alternator battery tester. So that's a new feature. So let's, and this guy is model number Sam Charlie 1564. The older model I have is Sam Charlie 1281. On the back, it's got some information. We'll just go over it real quick. So power sport, 6 amp, 32 amp hour, 6 amp, 1 hour to 2 hours. For motorcycle, 6 amp. Automotive, 200 cold crank amp to 1000 cold crank amp. Says 6 amp, 1.5 hours to 4 hours. Marine, 80 amp hour, 180 amp hour, 6 amp, 2 hours to 5 hours. Says fully automatic battery charger plus maintainer, keeps stored lead acid batteries charged, charges and maintains small batteries. So this will do small batteries. Microprocessor controlled, multi-stage charging for added precision, safety, and battery life. Float mode monitoring, automatically maintains optimum battery charge. Engine start, powerful enough for starting SUVs and trucks. Battery and alternator tester, provides charge level and helps diagnose electrical problems, which is kind of nice. This older unit does not have any of those features. Reverse hookup protection, start and stop button. Simple press the start and stop button to start charging or stop charging. Charges compatible battery types: standard, AGM, lithium, LiPo or LIFE, LiFePO 4, and deep cycle batteries. Connect it and forget it all season. Monitor and maintains the battery when fully charged. Resumes continuous charging when battery becomes charged. SKU Echo Energy. This guy over here I've had sitting charging a battery for about 1.5 years, just keeping it maintained. It works very well. So looks like the tape just came unglued just right now, which is okay. We'll just sit there. It says Schumacher electric quart since SC1564. That's what it says right there. I picked this up from Walmart for 90 bucks. Which that guy over there, I paid like 130 bucks for that guy. I've been using this one for probably 10 plus years. Never had any issues with it, other than I've shown you guys a couple videos on it, because these style chargers, if they do not see a specific voltage, they will not work. So this guy kind of looks pretty much similar to this one over here. Move them over. So this one, you can tell is quite dusty. If I take the... Yeah, you can see it's quite dusty. It's been sitting in my house. In my garage section of my house. This one does say 100 amp, 36 and 2. This one right here, 6 to 2 amp, 30 amp and 100 amp. This one right here, it's got lights, standard AGM gel, battery, bad battery, which is a fault. This guy right here says STD, or standard AGM lithium. So this one might not do gel batteries. This light probably is upgraded icon for bad battery. So this one does standard AGM and gel. So this one does standard and AGM. This one does gel. The Sam Charlie 1281 does gel. And the Sam Charlie 1564 does lithium. So it's a nice added feature. Rate selection button, battery type, start stop, rate selection, battery type, start stop. Pretty much close to the same. I might try and test a gel battery on this, see if it'll allow a gel battery. Both of these units are pretty much the same. Nothing majorly special. Plug this guy in. It's automatically lit up to AGM. Let me move this guy. So the camera doesn't like the frequency, but it does have a solid green light for AGM. So if you switch it, it's now lit up on the word lithium, standard, AGM. That's nice. 30 amp. So the actual icon, which is nice and easy to read. So when you plug this one in, it's just the light right next to it. So you actually have to pay attention and look at what it's set to. This can be hard to read sometimes because this light just lights up next to what's written there. So these are kind of nice. It's set to 100 amp, 6.2 amp, 30 amp, 100 amp. And the light is dimmer on 6.2. It gets a little brighter on 30 amp, and 100 amp it's really bright, so that's nice. I don't have any battery plugged into it, but this is just going to be just a quick video. Nothing like majorly special. Just wanted to show a new charger that I'm going to be using. You're probably going to see it on the channel. This guy over here actually says Schumacher Max Performance Extreme Duty, built for charging, HD. This one does not say any of that. This one I did buy from Walmart a long time ago, probably 10 or more years ago. When it comes to the cables, what I normally do is I usually clamp them to the handle like that. That's what I normally do. That's just like this one. They're dusty though. But all in all, I do like this this new unit. It will definitely come in handy when I'm charging multiple batteries, depending on what batteries I'm working on. The cord, it's a nice, somewhat soft, pliable cord. It does not have a ground strap. I wish these guys came with ground straps, and they don't. It's just a double pin, but it should be alright. For these, I usually wrap the cable on the post on the back. Probably a little hard to see, but I usually wrap the cable in the back. That way it's out of the way. Like that. This guy I usually just pop up, put these handles on here. There's a little bit of scuffing on the handle. It's not a big deal. It's not going to affect the performance or anything like that. And that's now ready for me to use. So again, the older model, you could probably find these for about 50 bucks or less now, which is Sam Charlie 1281. This newest model, Sam Charlie 1564. I also have another Schumacher. I also have a couple Optima chargers too. Here's an Optima charger and jumper right here. There's one right here that's actually on a battery right there. And then I also have this guy down here, which is 15 amp rapid charge and a 3 amp charger. So this is in the middle of the other ones. This one's a 3 amp charger and a 15 amp. This does 6 volt, 12 volt, 3 amp maintainer, 15 amp rapid charge, standard AGM and gel. This one's similar to the gray one that I was just showing you. This one is SC1280. So this one does gel. It's got the same old style, you know, the lights up next to the word. As well as I have videos coming on this Hulkman Alpha 85S. I actually have 2 of those units. So just a quick video. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. And I hope you guys are doing well and your day is going well. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, all the people that watch the channel, all the people that use the affiliate links. It all does extremely help. The channel is now paying for tools. I'm going to be picking up wood with some money I got from the channel, from YouTube. And the affiliate link's going to start doing demo videos on power tools and lots of other things. So please stick around if you guys want to see demo videos, stuff like that, and you're not subscribed. Smush the bell notification icon. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!